everybody, this is Chris Arnold, Avon Independent Sales Leader, and I have your product picks and previews for Campaign 10 of 2018. And Campaign 10 is our Incredible Eye event. And the star of our Incredible Eye event is our new clinical Eyelift system. And it is a two-part system for the eyes. And as you see, it lifts, it firms, it depuffs all in one. And this is our #1 selling eye cream. The key ingredient in it is called arginine, and it helps to, show a dramatic lift within 7 days. So it does come, it's 1 jar, but it comes in 2 parts. And you can kind of see here, it's hard to see because it's there's no color to it, but you can kind of see the 2 little eyes on the different sections of this little lid here, inner lid, and it shows, which one goes on the upper eye area and which goes on the lower. So we have the upper eye gel, and this goes on the upper eyelid and up onto the brow bone to help smooth and lift that area. And then the eye cream goes on the under eye area, and that's where it helps to depuff and helps to smooth out the little fine lines and wrinkles that you get there. So that's a new clinical eye lift system. This is actually my favorite eye cream. It does quite a good job at minimizing, especially the puffy, baggy area underneath my eyes that is unfortunately genetic. It runs in the family, and so will never go away completely, but this really helps make it, just lessens the look of it, makes it easier to camouflage on the days that I feel I need to do that. Another great thing about our Incredible Eye event is in Campaign 10 only, the new clinical eye lift, which is normally $28, is on sale for $14.99. Now you guys know I normally don't make a big deal about prices, but that is a fantastic price. That's almost half off. And all of our other new eye creams and eye systems, we have a couple other that are 2-part systems, are also on sale for $14.99. And I will tell you, normally, they range from $26 to $36 normally, and usually when they're on sale for $19.99 to $21.99. So $14.99, this is a fantastic time to try out a new eye system, or if you already use one of these eye systems or eye creams, to stock up and get a couple of extras, because there's quite a bit of savings there. Another, I know I usually don't have 2 skincare in the same video, but we have a new peel-off mask, and it's the ultimate peel-off mask, and it's actually a gold mask. And let's see, I don't want to forget anything, so I'm going to share with you just what it says in here. It's infused with a youth-boosting complex of vitamin B3 and botanical extracts, and it helps skin to look smoother, brighter, and more luminous than ever. So it comes in a tube, and you just take a little bit of that, just a very little bit, and you'd put it, normally if you're going to use it on your face, you would put it on your fingers, and then spread on your face. And it's it's a mask, so it comes out feeling kind of goopy, almost like a thick glue-like, and it's got this incredible gold color that hopefully will show up on the video there. Maybe I'll put just a little bit more to get it nice, and because it does feel like I have kind of a thin layer there, but I want to do it a little bit thicker. There we go. And so you can see the nice gold sheen to it. And it is a peel-off mask, so you put it on, as thick or as thin as you like. Obviously, the thicker you put it, the longer it will take to dry. So you put that on and you leave it there. And then once it has completely dried, you want it to be completely dry so it will peel easily. You just push on the edge of it there, and it peels right off, and you've got smoother, more luminous skin waiting underneath. So I'll leave that there. I don't think it's going to dry before we finish the video, but if it does, I will we'll peel that off when we're done. Let's see. Next up, we have our beautiful birthstone bracelets. And let me find the page so I can show you all 12 of them, because of course with birthstone bracelets we have 12 colors to choose from. And I always say that the great thing about birthstone bracelets is you can obviously choose your birthstone, which in my case is the August, the peridot, the green, pale green stone. Or you can choose whatever color goes with your outfit. You can choose your favorite color, which for me would be the beautiful purple, which is the February amethyst type stone there. And these are all, of course, simulated stones, but so they're gold tone bangles and they have faux stone accents and it's a hook closure. So let's see, on the purple one here, you can see the little hook there and you just bend it in a little bit and that hooks right off. So, and it's very flexible, so it's very easy to get off and on. And then you just do the little hook to secure it. And I can show you up close better if I do it on the pillow because I can get that up by the camera there. So that just hooks right in there and you're good. I did find that when I was putting mine on that it's easier for me, and your mileage may vary, if I have the hook side toward me, it's easier to maneuver to put it on, but it's honestly so much easier than a lobster claw or a ring type clasp. So I really like this for a closed bracelet that is not as loose as some bangles that fit over your hand are. And of course I went with the April, the white simulated stone today, just to kind of goes, there's some white in my skirt, so it kind of goes with my outfit. But these are 5 of the different months. So of course I'm wearing April's, which has just, it's a white stone, so it's a creamy white. It's not a sheer white like the other stones are. And it looks like June might be the same type. No, June is a clear, more clear stone. So it looks like March and April are the two, and maybe September are more of a cloudy stone than the clear stones that these other ones have. So this is the from this side is August, November, December, and February there. So those are really good colors. And they've got just a simulated rhinestone in the middle there. And the bangles themselves have kind of a hammered look, which I always kind of like the hammered look better than like the really smooth things. So I'm wearing stuff on my wrist. I'm going to bang it up and scratch it. I mean, even the best quality metals for jewelry, I'm going to bang it up and scratch it a bit, banging around my desk and stuff. So I kind of like the hammered ones because they hide any eventual little scratches or anything that I get on them. And then, you know, they just last a lot longer. And if it's a piece that I really like, that's, you know, I'm going to want something that I'm going to be able to wear for quite a while. Let's see. Next up, we do have, I have a few of the, these were actually debuted in campaign 9, but I picked up a couple of the other, we had the 6-piece coffret in campaign 9 with the box of 6 different purse size fragrances. But I did pick up a couple of the other box sets that were in campaign 9, but they're of course also in campaign 10. So they're 3-piece box sets. This is the Skin So Soft original. So this is the color for that one. It's kind of a aqua color there. And it comes in this really nice box. It's got kind of a floral pattern on the sides and a nice big bow already. You can just put your to and from tag right over that product name there. And it comes with the coordinated tissue paper. And each item is wrapped up individually inside. So the Skin So Soft sets, which come in this is the original, or it comes also in the Soft and Sensual. And this includes the replenishing hand cream, the creamy body wash, and the body lotion, all in one set, all ready to give for mom. And then we have one set of the Senses body care. And this is the lemon and basil scent. So this is a seasonal scent. We have had it before. It smells absolutely wonderful. It's a very springy scent, but it'll be great even into summer. Again, you've got the coordinating tissue paper and the individually wrapped items. So you have the shower gel, the body lotion, and the body spray. And then this one also comes with the loofah. So it's got the little band on the back for your hand. So an easy to use loofah scrub there that you can have in the shower. So the Senses set is a 4-piece set for mom. It's got that extra item with the loofah there. And again, color coordinated little boxes. And that the sweet lemon blossom and basil just smells so nice and fresh and like crisp and clean, but it's got a little bit of sweet with the basil. Really, really nice scent there that any mom would enjoy for spring and summer. And it's great, especially for in the morning, because that lemon, that citrus kind of helps wake you up. And then last but not least, I picked up another couple of things from, I was so busy in campaign 8 picking out new clothing from the Seaside Gardens collection that I kind of overlooked some of the Seaside Garden collection for the home, and actually decided to pick out a couple of pieces for the vanity up in my bathroom and in the master bedroom here at home. Just needed a little bit more organization on the counter there. And so I got the ceramic tray with this lovely blue china print and the matching ceramic tumbler, because we had an old plastic cup from when the kids were little that we were using up in the bathroom. So this is a little more coordinated, a little more grown up, because at my age, really I should have a little bit more grown up looking accoutrements in the bathroom vanity there for when I'm getting ready in the morning. So now we have this nice coordinated set with the tumbler and the ceramic tray to help keep things organized on the counter. And let's see, I think we might be, it's still a little damp, but let's see if we can't peel some of this. I think this top part here where I put off the last of it, oh, it is dry enough to peel. It is very, very thin. Yeah, it's a little bit too wet to peel still, but you can kind of see from that top part how it does peel very easily once it is dry. But that's a new Ultimate Peel Off Mask there. That's like I said, I didn't think it would quite dry in the time of the video. It takes about 15-20 minutes depending on how thick you put it on. This would definitely be one that I would do maybe on a weekend morning if you've got a little bit more time, or if you've got an evening that you've got some time to relax before bed, so you can give it plenty of time to dry and peel off before you go to bed. Would also be great if you have time to prepare, you've got time to relax and take your time getting ready for a night out. This would be a great little treat for yourself before, as you're getting ready for that. So you could put the mask on maybe while you were doing your hair or something like that, let it dry, peel it off, and then continue with your regular routine for the evening. So just a little suggestion there on some ways that you might like to use the peel off mask. And for normal use, you would use it maybe 2-3 times a week. But I think even once a week you would see a nice benefit from it. So that is all I have for you this campaign, and it sounds like one of the dogs is ready to go outside, so I should probably stop chatting and go take care of that anyway. Hope to see you all again in a couple of weeks, and I really hope you're all having a wonderful week.